Hi, and welcome back to the Dr. Ramsey Show. Today, I want to share something with you because I've been getting a lot of questions. I think it's because we're getting close to summer about our detox kit, how to detox your body with food and with supplements. Next, either show or the one after, we're going to talk about our 12-week weight loss program coming up for the summer. This is a great way to jump into it because to me, when I think of losing weight, I think of cleaning up our liver because it's our liver that gets rid of all the waste in our body. So this detox is specifically targeting our liver health to make it more efficient at getting rid of waste. So let me share this program with you that I just love. First of all, it comes with a book that explains why we detox, how we detox. It goes through the foods that we're supposed to eat, the foods we're supposed to avoid, and it goes through the instructions on how to do the entire detox. So to me, I love it. I've made every recipe in here. It's a lot of chopping and cooking. It's all fresh foods. Doing it on a weekend to get ready for the week is the best. Coming with that is the Detox Powder, the Core Restore Powder. So it's restoring our core. It's cleaning out our cells, cleaning out our liver. So we drink this morning and night. Along with that, we have both vitamins because vitamins help our cells do what they're supposed to do more efficiently, and more detox supplements. So this is our entire program. I would suggest if you're going to do it to read the entire book first so you know what you're getting into to be prepared for the entire week. And then after a detox, it's a great time to go right into a weight loss program. We have a good 12-week program coming up for you soon. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.